Okay, on WhatsApp, people are facing a issue which is related to the 1 second of voice message. Actually, when we started the record and we are recording and then release the button, it becomes just 1 second like this. See, it's 9 second, 10 second, 11 second, and it will convert it to 1 second. In the above you can see now it didn't work because I have on the screen recording. Let's go to the solution of this. I have contacted to whom and what they said. Let me show you step by step. So the solution of this, I have contacted to WhatsApp CS and what they told me, you should also do the same. I am currently using the Nokia 5 mobile and this problem is mostly seen in Nokia. So let me open the Gmail. This is Gmail. So here is messages I wrote to them and they have replied to me. I have wrote them this. There are some type of missing, so forgive about that. Hi, I am facing problem with voice message. When I record voice message and press on the release button, the entire voice message changes to just 1 second as you see in below SS. It is happening with me from last week. I cannot send more than 1 second voice message and the message is also not understandable. I have searched on internet but many people like me facing same problem with no solution. I have already done the following: Rebooted, clear cache, checked permissions, reinstall WhatsApp. My mobile model Nokia 5, Android version 9. Any suggestion from your side? Highly appreciate it. So the below supported info and these all things they have taken automatically. This is taken from the WhatsApp. These all things and the logs file. I have just attached the screenshot. This is the screenshot from my mobile. Now I'm telling you how I did this. I will also show the reply from the WhatsApp representative. It's important. Press on help and then contact us, and here you have to write the problem what you are facing. I have attached the screenshot first of all and then write the message like this. You can type like this. See, I have already wrote them and press on next. So here you can see different option, but you will have to choose the below one. This doesn't answer my question. I have pressed on this and went to the page of Gmail, and on Gmail they have automatically picked out my logs file and status of my current mobile, like which software I am using and what the other details of my mobile. This is status of my mobile. So I have wrote them. I am showing you now what WhatsApp replied to me. They have replied me this message which is understandable for us. So the first message they have sent me, this is automatic message. In a very below you can see the message from the support. They have said, hi, thanks for your message. We are aware of the issue and are working on fixing it in a future update of WhatsApp. If you have any other question or concern, please feel free to contact us anytime. So this was the reply from the WhatsApp, and I have installed the WhatsApp GB, simple WhatsApp business. I am facing everywhere this problem. I think everyone will are facing the same problem. Okay, so this is the latest update on 7th March 2022. Maybe a later scenario will change and the problem will be something else. So you can also do Rebooted, reinstall the WhatsApp or give the permissions, etc., which are already defined by in other videos and on Google as well. So this video which I have made unique, and this is the real problem solution which many of us are facing. We have to wait for the new update from the WhatsApp, what they are saying in new update. You can see on Google here a lot of people already talk about it and videos on YouTube like this, but people are still commenting that this solution didn't work. So I made this video for those type of users. So hope this video didn't bore you. tutorial for friends. This is my channel, the real solutions of the problem, and I'm thinking you should subscribe this channel and hit on bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any other problem, comment to me. I will answer or I will make a video for you. Thank you very much.